Mayashi Maigiri and additional Maigiri kicks. Mayashi Maigiri is when from Zenkutsudachi the front leg is used to kick Maigiri. Mayashi Maigiri Keiache, Mayashi Maigiri Kikomi, Tobi Mayashi Maigiri, Yoritobi Maigiri. One leg is used only to gain momentum and height whilst the other leg strikes the target. Yoritobi Nidan Geri. In this instance, both feet are used to kick into the target, but first the one and then the other. Tobi Nidan Geri. In this instance, both feet land simultaneously into the target.